get her sideways. That little Betty Pooch in here wearing a little honey. Yeah, I know. That is so cute. Yeah, cute. That is so cute. You can't take it that way. No, you shouldn't put that in your mouth. You don't want to put that in your mouth. It'll be something else be going down the throat. You'll have to poop it out.
You want some lay up here? Mm-hmm.
See how long it lasts.
There. There you go.